Hello guys, I will show you how to install applications, SQL installer applications. First, you have to open your MySQL installer community if you want to install. Wait for second. You have to click yes to continue. Then yes again. You need to be patient. Wait for the process of the installing of MySQL installer. I think our installer has an error. It's so loading. Let me check again. have to click next to continue the process. Then next. You still have an interesting, but are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Just click yes. Then next. Then yes again. Then execute. Just have to wait for the installing process. The installing of MySQL shell is the longest. We need to be patient. Just as I say, the installing process of MySQL shell is the longest. And if MySQL shell is finished, continue will the installing will continue faster than the previous one. Excuse me. Okay. The MySQL shell is finished. It's already done. As you can see, the installing of others is fast. Then the installation is finished. Then next, let's proceed to other process. Then next, there are three selection of this config type. If you want to go to server, then the server, this is to other server. Then for today, we have to choose development computer. Then you don't have to check the empty blank. Then click next. You have to use the legacy authentication method than the yung strong password because it's hard. Then next, current root password Madara. Yeah, example Madara. Then check. Then click next. Then next, execute. To execute the configurations. Excuse me. Then finish. Then you have to click next because the installation is not really finished. Finish. Next again. Username root. The password is Madara. Click check. Then the connection is success. Then next. Then execute. Then finish. Then installation complete. Finish. The installation. Then welcome to my SQL workbench. This is the my SQL workbench. If you want to create sample, click this. Then use the password of the current password Madara. Now you can write a code, database if you want to. Then close. Next, we have to okay. Then we have to install the other installations. Example, SQLYOG. You have to download SQLYOG. SQLYOG. Double click. Then click yes. Start the installation process. Okay. Then click next to continue. You have to accept before you begin, before you click next. Then next. Install. Then next. Finish. SQLYOG is already installed. We have to try the SQLYOG. Let's open the SQLYOG application. Okay. We can now create a program. The SQLYOG is already installed. Next, we have to open then we have to install the XAMPP application. XAMPP application Windows. Double click, then click yes. Just you have to click yes. Then okay. Then next. Click next. You have to uncheck all the bold text. Then next. Then click next again. Then next. Then next. Next. And the installing process continues. Excuse me. Then finish. You have to you have to open the to user administration first. To right click the um or we have to open the file location of the XAMPP. You can see it in the local disk. Then open the local disk. Then the XAMPP is in the below. You have to find the XAMPP control panel and run it as administrator. Then click yes. As you can see, the Apache has an X. If you want to check this, you have to click the X. Then yes. The purpose of this, if you want to open the computer or laptop, the application will not run unless you check the X of the exam. Click yes. And then our installation for today is finished. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.